Today I would like to introduce to you guys a new dish to be served with rice. Lemongrass beef tendon stew. All my family members really love this dish, even my 3-year-old son. Let's start. We're gonna need 700 grams beef tendon. Here I already washed and cut into bite-sized pieces. Coconut juice. If you don't have coconut juice, you can just use water. 2 lemongrass mashed and cut into 5 cm. Some ginger slices. 2 tablespoons chopped garlic and 2 tablespoons chopped lemongrass. First of all, we need to marinate the beef tendon. Add half of chopped garlic and lemongrass. The other half I'm gonna use later. Then we add a pinch of salt and sugar. Mix well until everything combined and set to the side for 20 minutes. In the pot, we add about 2 tablespoons cooking oil. After the oil boiled, add chopped garlic and lemongrass. Saute until fragrance. Be careful, don't burn the garlic and lemongrass. Add beef tendon and saute until it's half cooked. Add lemongrass and ginger and continue stirring. You know the smell now is really fantastic. Add coconut juice or water. If the coconut juice is not enough to cover the beef tendon, we can add more water. Now I cover the pot and cook in 1 hour. Here I use pressure cooker. If you guys use normal pot, you may need to cook longer, maybe until 2 hours. After 1 hour, I open the pot and add seasoning. I add some salt, sugar, fish sauce, then stir well. Then we need to cook in another 20 to 30 minutes until it's tender. I want to make the soup thicker, so I use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then add the water and mix well. If you don't have cornstarch, you can use tapioca starch, but this step is optional. Add the cornstarch mixture, then mix well. If you find the liquid not thick enough, you can add more cornstarch mixture. So my lemongrass beef tendon stew is done, and I'm gonna have it with rice. I got 1 bowl of steamed rice, add beef tendon, some toasted sesame seeds, and cilantro. Look beautiful, right? My family members really like it. If you guys like my video, please thumb up, subscribe my channel and click on the bell beside to update my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you soon.